Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the system, update packages and install dependencies so the VM will run smoothly. First, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to be current. Then install build essential, DKMS and Linux headers for your kernel so VirtualBox modules compile. Once done, add the Oracle VirtualBox repository or install the package directly with sudo apt install VirtualBox. Make sure Secure Boot is addressed. Unsigned kernel modules can block VirtualBox until you sign, or now you create the virtual machine, click New and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Select the correct OS type and version to ensure optimal defaults. Allocate RAM and CPU carefully. Use roughly 1/4 to 1/2 of available RAM and 1 to 2 cores. This prevents host slowdowns. Create a virtual disk. VDI is fine. Pick dynamically allocated for flexible storage or fixed for slightly better performance. Attach an ISO to the virtual optical drive so the guest can install its OS. Start the VM and run the guest installer. Follow the OS prompts to partition and create a user account just as you would on real hardware. Once installed, immediately add VirtualBox guest additions from the Devices menu to get proper resolution, shared folders, and clipboard integration. This improves performance and usability. If networking or display fails, make sure VBoxDev and related kernel modules are loaded. Check Secure Boot or install the extension pack. If problems persist, reboot the host and recompile modules with DKMS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.